I'm gonna talk about the $2,000 that I lost today. Yes, I lost $2,000, but I definitely like the short idea. Try to take the same trade idea on 30 and 30 for high.
We got a little game. There's a pool table in there too.
Success is yet to come. Hey, yo.
The more W's you take, the more results that you prove to yourself that you can get, everything else is gonna slowly fall into your hands. I've gone through phases where I've literally seen no results whatsoever with followings, whether getting views on videos, making money from trades. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. We're about to see what we could do on these fucking charts. Yesterday, we didn't take no trades. Yesterday, there was no money made when it comes to trading. I made some money with content, made some money with VIP, but when it comes to the charts, I didn't have no successful trades yesterday. I didn't have any trades yesterday, to be frank. But you know what that means? It means we didn't lose money. It means that we're still able to continue to trade today, which is the most important thing. Let me log into my trading account. And then I'm about to join this VIP call. I already have it started. We got 20 people in there. We're gonna see what we can do, see what money we can make, see what lives we can change, and just overall, get straight to it. But I definitely like the short idea on NAS. The candle closures are the main thing that we just gotta pay attention to. The 15 and the hour is the next ones I'm paying attention to, since we're so close to them going into a time with news. But the way this candle's looking, tapped in, what is it? The 4 hour, 1 hour and 4 hour gap. NAS shorts, last trade of the day. This was the original bias. I tried to take the same trade idea on 30 and 30 for high. So we'll see what NAS in for. If I wasn't in drawdown, I might just take a 1-to-1 too, but that 1-to-1 just gonna break even. I mean, I could still get a 1-to-2. This TP here is like a 1-to-3. I just need 1-to-2. Yeah, let's see what this next 15 an hour candle looking like. We just opened at 10 o'clock. This gonna make or break it. All right, today we got cooked on. I ain't gonna lie, we had some good trade ideas. I lied down. The two trade ideas were the two same exact trade ideas on NAS 100 and US 30. I wanted to see a retracement into the 4 hour and the 1 hour gaps to see price continue moving lower. I just got wicked out both times. I got wicked out. US 30 ended up playing out in my direction. It looks like it's still trying to play out in my direction. I just got wicked out, unfortunately. Unless you have a big stop loss, a lot of the times when you're trading high volume pairs, US 30, NAS 100, they move so fast that even if you're right on the direction, it doesn't mean shit. It doesn't. So with that being said, it's time to end my day off, my trading. It sucks, it doesn't feel good, but guess what? We just gotta move on to the next day. There's nothing we can do besides manage risk, move on to the next. Like I said, we gotta get the rest of my day going. I think today we're gonna go look at the apartment. Also, we wanna view another one just to actually see it in person. So 12:30, you gotta do that. But let me take a shower. I don't even wanna be in front of these charts no more. Fuck them. But right now, we done with the trading session. About to go to the store real quick. She don't got work today. She got to set schedules, and now she's off like 3-4 days. Goes to work 3-4 days. So yeah, we about to go to the gas station. I got to put air in my tire. Got to get something from the gas station. Then head back to the crib, shower. Then we're gonna go see an apartment again. We're gonna go view at an apartment, another version, a little bit smaller than the one we looked at, but it's similar. We'll probably look. I want to look at multiple, honestly. I want them to let me see multiple. So yeah, we got another adventurous downtown vlog today. So then we got to get food. Then after that, gym, all the boring stuff that you guys apparently want to watch. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. We got a long day ahead of us. It's only 11:32, the beginning of a long day. We made it back. BMW color of my car. Mine's better though. I have no units to view. So we was just like talking about the prices and stuff, but we about to get up out of here.
We got a little game. There's a pool table in there too.
All right, we just got here. We about to get some food, get some breakfast.
Success is yet to come. Hey, yo.
Better than usual. What about yours?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just got done eating food, right? Bro, well, I got a fucking blister on my lip. This shit, I don't even want to show y'all. I look like I got herpes in this joint. Bad look. I just look bad. For somebody that's on camera all day, someone that's supposed to be on social media all day, somebody that's like the face of my brand is my face, it's a bad joint. So you know what we about to do? I dropped my girl off at Marshall's. I'm gonna let her go in there and look around for about damn near an hour, like she always does. But as she's doing that, I'm taking my ass to CVS. I'm about to go get a little lip cream, whatever that shit is, to dry it up. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'll tell you that. Bad John. Your face and everything is key. One thing about you guys, if you have a brand about you, you're everything. How you look, the way you present yourself, how you walk, how you talk, all of it. If I'm walking around on camera with a blister on my lip, people gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy. They gonna have some crazy accusations. Got that, John. Come on now. On the go. Can't be out here lacking. I gotta clean this car. This car is definitely down bad right now. Got it. Now I just look extra crazy. I just look extra crazy now, bro. You know what, bro? I'm gonna just go get my girlfriend. I'm going the fuck home. Probably looking at me like, why do you have a bandit on your lip? Well, first of all, I'm gonna look crazy either way. I'm either gonna take it off and look crazy, or I'm gonna have it on and look crazy. At least this way, it makes me feel a little bit better. You don't gotta see the bullshit. I don't gotta scar your eyes with the blister. But we went to the apartment earlier. I wanted to view one of the units. The unit that we viewed in the other vlog, that one's a possibility, but due to how much we're gonna have to spend, due to the time that we'll be able to move in because of the availability, no matter how much I want it, there's only certain availability, and I can only extend it for 2 weeks. And I'm not trying to get taxed, trying to have an apartment for a whole month, and have this apartment, and have to pay for both, and have to pay for all the expenses to get here to there, plus everything else. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot to it. But they didn't let us view it because they didn't have no available units to view for the one specific. So we just got some food first watch. And now I'm here back at the crib, and I want to talk about the $2,000 that I lost today. Yes, I lost $2,000, $1,000 on the first trade, $1,000 on the second trade. It's hell. It is what it is. You got to understand, not every day is going to be a winning day. Yesterday, I didn't even catch no trades. The days before that, I was barely catching trades. I only won 1 trade last week. Right now, I'm not having the best 2 weeks. It's a slower 2 weeks. I'm not catching as many trades. It is what it is. The only thing I can focus on is staying in the game. Losing trades is going to happen. I can guarantee you, if you're a trader, losing trades is going to happen. You're going to lose trades. And if you've lost a trade today, that's cool. I lost. A lot of people on my team lost. Today was a very choppy day for the indexes. If I were to show you guys the charts right now, you would see it's been very choppy. If we go to US 30, that was today. Choppy, as we can see. If we go to NAS 100, had a little bit of bullish movement, but overall choppy, as you can see. If we go to the dollar honestly was choppy for the most part, but then it eventually started to move. I will say that. When we go to ES looks like NAS. It had a bigger bullish move, but overall came back into the range. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some. Not every day is going to be a winning day. The one thing that you need to understand as a trader, as an entrepreneur, losses are going to happen. Everything that goes up has to come down. Just like the market, nothing is going to continue to go up forever. It's not. You're going to have days where it's going to fall. You're going to have weeks where it falls, months where it falls. Your bank account, your life, your relationship, everything. The world works in the same exact ways. Once you understand how to handle the negative, you're going to be able to take advantage of the positive. Because guess what? Winning is easy, regardless of what it's in. Hitting your PR is easy. Once you do it, you can live more. Easy. Winning trades is easy. Anybody can get lucky and win a trade. Winning the trade isn't hard. Consistently winning the trades are hard. Doing it long term is hard. Learning how to handle the losses is going to be hard because, like I said, winning is easy. Anybody can do it. Most people are able to win and call it a day. Most people are able to win and leave. When it comes to losing, it hurts. When it comes to losing, every time you lose a trade, every time you have a losing day, losing week, you feel like it's the end of the world. You feel like you're not a good trader. You feel like you don't know what you're doing. You feel like you're not going to achieve your dreams. You feel like you're not getting closer. And when you don't have your dreams yet, if you haven't seen success yet, if you're not seeing no results yet, it's going to hit harder until you start seeing small W's, until you start getting small payouts, any payouts, getting some funded accounts, showing to yourself that you actually know what you're doing, showing to yourself that you can actually prove consistent profitability and get results from it. You're not going to have that same confidence when time gets hard. So when you take those losses, it's going to hurt. And based off of how you react to those losses, it's going to determine how long you stay in the game. Because guess what? When we overtrade, when we over risk, when we go on tilt, when we do things we're not supposed to, when we deviate from our rules, when we just do too much, it's usually due to the fact that we took losses. We took unplanned losses. We took losses that didn't feel good, and how we felt dictated how we reacted to the situation. And how we reacted to the situation is like a domino effect. 1 leads to 2 to 3, 4, and once you get that momentum, it keeps on going. The main thing as a trader is you got to keep that first domino from falling by managing risk, by learning how to handle the emotions. And how do you handle the emotions? By simply taking a lot of losses, losing a lot, getting experience with the losses. Because guess what? The person that takes one loss is gonna hurt way more than the person that's taken 1,000,000 losses, because the person that's taken 1,000,000 losses knows part of the game. They've been through that same exact situation 1,000,000 times. The person that's only gone through it one time, they have a whole bunch of experience to still learn. But the longer you go through it, the more losses you take, the more W's you take, the more results that you prove to yourself that you can get, everything else is gonna slowly fall into your hands. And trust me, it's easier said than done. It's not gonna be an easy task to be able to handle losses. It's taken me 4 years. It's taken me 4 years of consistently showing up every day, consistently showing up, not just trading, to the gym, consistently showing up to YouTube, posting my videos, posting on Instagram. I've gone through phases where I've literally seen no results whatsoever with followings, whether getting views on videos, making money from trades, following my trade rules, showing up to the gym consistently when I know I need to. I've gone through the phases where I was literally seeing no results, none. Losing after day, failure day after day, not showing up when I know I should day after day. I've gone through it, trust me, so I know it's not easy, but you gotta remember, do what they want to achieve what they can't. Do what they want to achieve what they can't. That's the only thing that's gonna save you. There's no secret to this shit. It's just doing the work every single day. There's no secret. You guys watch the daily vlogs. I'm changing my life in front of you, and what do I do that's out of this world? I'm just doing the same things I tell you guys. I'm just doing the things on a daily basis that's gonna get me in the position to level up. That's it. I'm building 1% a day. Nothing is gonna change overnight. Some days might be 2%, some days might be 3%, but every single day is just 1%. That's the goal. Every day, 1% better. And if I do that, I promise you and I promise myself, we're gonna achieve our goals. So with that being said, this is where today's video is gonna come to an end. Today's one of them slow days. Lost money, went to the gym, just did the things I was supposed to, and my girlfriend was off from work, so I just spent some time with her, tried to go to the apartments and everything, but you saw how that went. Tomorrow's gonna be a more action-packed work day. You're gonna see everything from my work routine because my girlfriend's not gonna be here, so it's just gonna be me working all day long. So it's just gonna be me and the camera just getting busy for like 12 hours straight, just how I like it. But that being said, stay safe, stay productive. If you wanna learn how I trade, my trading concepts, my systems, my strategies, completely free, the free trading course, the free trading webinars for free. Trust me, it's hours and upon hours of free game. Take advantage of it because it might not be free forever. You never know. If you want to join a community of like-minded traders to see me trade live, to take my trades live, get other people's analysis live, get other people's thoughts on trading live every single morning, Monday through Friday, and they have weekly sessions where you're getting educated on money, mindset, and trading, join the VIP Trading Network. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.